Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine format feature number 1, text, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Format and hover over Text, the following options appear. These options can apply to newly created text within a Google Doc or to text that has been highlighted within a Google Doc. I'm going to click on Bold to demonstrate. Now that I have clicked on Bold, my new sample text that I am typing appears bolded within the Google Doc. Alternatively, I can highlight my other sample text, click on Format, and hover over Text in order to bold the highlighted text. For the remainder of this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate the features of text with highlighted text. I am also going to focus on the features that are not already exemplified within the toolbar, namely bold, italic, and underline. As these features are present in the toolbar, I'm going to focus on the other items under text. Specifically, I'm going to demonstrate what strike-through looks like when selected. Strike-through creates a line through text within a Google Doc. This can be useful when removing items from a list. The next item underneath strike-through is Superscript. When I click on this option, it makes my text smaller and makes it appear in the upper right-hand corner. Alternatively, there's also Subscript, which is similar in the sense that the text is still small, but now it appears in the lower right-hand corner. Under text, there are a few other options, specifically size and capitalization. Size allows you to increase the font size or decrease the font size within a Google Doc. However, I would recommend simply selecting the font size from the main toolbar to more effectively change the size of the font within the document. The other option under text is capitalization. When selecting the options from this submenu, I can make all my text appear as lowercase, or I can make all my text appear as uppercase. And finally, if these either options do not appeal to me, I can also make my text appear in title case, where the first letter in each word is capitalized and the following letters are lowercase. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.